Hello and welcome. I'm Agnieszka Opala and I'm thrilled to have you here on my brand new channel. If you ever thought, I wish I could create beautiful art but I have no talent, then this channel is made just for you. I have been a painter for over 30 years and I sold over 3,000 paintings that you can find displayed now all over the world. Along this journey I have been building my own unique techniques and even founding an academy where I taught over 4,000 students how to draw and paint. From absolute beginners to seasoned artists, I've seen firsthand how anyone can create something amazing with the right guidance. On this channel, I want to share that magic with you. We will dive into the world of art journaling and memory books, perfect for capturing your dreams, daily notes, and precious family memories. Even if you have never picked up a paintbrush before, I promise you can do this. I will also be sharing my own abstract paintings and the stories behind them, helping you appreciate and even create your own unique pieces. My mission is simple: to help you create beautiful memories with art, no matter your experience level. So, whether you are starting from zero or just looking to expand your creative horizon, you are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will never miss a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what kind of art projects you are excited to try. I can't wait to hear from you. Let's embark on this creative journey together. See you in the next video. Bye!